Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for NASDAQ price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the weekly chart for a quick overview what happened for NASDAQ and what it might happen. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 in the yellow count, where we have finished probably a wave 5, and we're probably finishing with it a wave 3 in the blue count, where we have finished 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. And looking later on, of course, for a correction, 3 waves ABC toward the downside, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again for a wave 5 in the blue count to finish this bull run. Now, if we take a look, of course, closer at the daily chart in this wave 5, of course, which is in the yellow count, we would like to estimate if we have finished or topped for this wave 5 or not yet. As you can see, we have a very extended wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And that means, of course, since your wave 3 is shorter than your wave 1, meaning your wave 5 should be shorter than your wave 3. And of course, to make the impulse works, it is not allowed, of course, that your wave 3 to be the shortest between the wave 5 and the wave 1. Therefore, this still have to be, of course, wave 3, but the wave 5 cannot move for higher than this, probably, or a little bit more, but not exceeding, of course, the length of your wave 3. Meaning, if we take here a 1-to-1 fib level for this wave 3 in a zigzag, for example, to get the 1-to-1 fib level, your wave 5 is not allowed to reach, of course, the 25,800. And that means, of course, once this wave 5 reaches this price, your wave 3 will be, of course, shorter than your wave 5, and of course, invalidation of this impulse. That doesn't mean that we are not looking for higher. It simply means this is a 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 for higher prices, of course, for NASDAQ. Now, if we take a closer look at the 4-hour chart here, we are looking, of course, for something unfolding with this range, a big range, of course, that we are looking at. Probably, in case we have finished and topped for a wave 5 and a wave 3, you are looking probably here for an impulse toward the downside, starting with a leading diagonal, leading contracting diagonal, meaning, of course, a contracting diagonal as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finishing a wave 1 in the yellow, and you are looking at a finished wave 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, and you would like to see a wave 3 towards the downside, hitting all around the 19,450 for an impulse, of course, and we're looking a little bit lower for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 5, of course, can be here a finished ABC or finished wave A for your ABC, probably, or it can be as well a finished expanding flat, meaning if you did not finish here your wave 5, if you did not top your wave 5, probably from the wave 3 you have start a 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave C to bottom your wave 4. Yeah, so this ABC, of course, it can be a correction for your wave 4 still, where your wave 4 can extend to this area. Yeah, so what we can put here is this a wave 4? Yeah, and then moving for higher, as you can see, for a wave 5 with a path here, right? Unless if we have finished here, if we did not finish here exactly a wave 5, and the wave 5 wants to extend, as we have mentioned, your wave 5, of course, can extend to this area, yeah, but not so much. We don't want to exceed, of course, the wave 3 length, right? So you would like to see higher prices directly from here, yeah, so from this path, meaning that this can transform into an WXY and then or WX and a Y finished already, or A, B, and a C somehow, and then you would like to see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the upside. If this is your 1, 2, and then you're looking for higher, you would like to see, of course, continuation for higher prices. And as we said before, this might be, of course, your 886, the invalidation for bearish scenario. So probably we have touched the 886 for 1, 2, which is not really nice, of course, for an impulse toward the downside. Therefore, it gives a little bit higher possibility here for a continuation for one more wave toward the upside to finish this wave 5. And probably, of course, you're gonna finish this in 1, and then 2 here, of course, 3, 4, and a 5. Here we go. So possibly, of course, this is your wave 5 that it can unfold like this, wave 5, and finishing a wave 3 in the blue count for NASDAQ. So to be watched, of course, guys. I mean, the price is very, very choppy here, but I mean, we have both scenarios where you have a leading diagonal, 3, 4, 5. You would like to see this hit in your bullish scenario. Of course, you are in a 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, to finish a wave 5 towards the upside. I give, of course, higher possibility still, of course. I mean, it's very neutral, but I give a little bit higher possibility probably for the bullish, since we have touched the 886 here for the wave 2, probably, which is, yeah, lowering the possibilities for the bearish in this case scenario. That was it for NASDAQ. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.